show you how to draw a sweet little bunny today. So grab a piece of paper. I'm using watercolor paper because I'm going to paint on this later, but if you're just going to do a drawing, then you can use any kind of paper and a pencil and an eraser and a ruler. I'm going to start by drawing. Now you can measure this out if you want, but I'm going to draw a line, really, really thin line through the center. And I'm going to take approximately half like that, too. Okay, so then we're going to start from the center. We're going to go slightly up. Let's see how I'm just leaving like a little bit of a space. And I'm going to do a little line like this. Can do it all the way. And then the ears are going to go in this space from here to here. I'm going to go all the way up and sort of aim towards the corner and down. And then the ears kind of flop over there a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So you just go around and up towards, sort of towards the corner if you can. And then make sure it's thick enough that it meets up with that line again. Here we go, and then take a look and make sure they're kind of even. I'm gonna go up a little higher with that one. Okay, now come to the bottom of the page and do sort of space out a little bit on either side. This is gonna be the body. So we're gonna do the shoulders kind of, or the body. And then this is going to meet up all the way over here and come around, so it's kind of like we're doing like a egg shape, or like a sort of longer oval like that. I'm going to make this side a little rounder, like so. Okay, and then we're going to erase this line now because we don't need it. And so we've still got this center line here. Now we're gonna make a line sort of in the center between these two. Doesn't have to be exact, but just a really thin line. And it's gonna give us sort of a guideline where the eyes go. So then the eyes are gonna be a big curve. Make sure they're equal there. And then I just kind of round that a little bit like that. So it's a little round. Yeah, they don't quite look the same size, so let's try that again. Just to come down and around, just make that a little bit. And then cute little eyes like that. Now the one I did originally, I made those eyes a little bigger, so we'll have to see if they're the right size. Okay, now we're gonna go halfway down again, and we're gonna make our nose. So we're gonna come around like that. Sort of try and make it even on both sides. And then we go down and we add a smile. And then you can go from the top here and go around. Make some little dots and some whiskers. Sweet. Okay, we're pretty much almost done, except we want these cheeks to be a little wider, like this. Try and make it even again. So I'm just going to erase that line that was there and kind of do more rounded cheeks. Okay, then we're just going to get rid of all these extra lines that we don't need now. Yeah. Erase all those lines. Then we're gonna kind of take a look at our bunny and see if it needs anything. I'm gonna give it some little eyelashes. I'm gonna color in this eye a little bit. Sweet. There's our cute bunny. There we go. Make sure that's all connected underneath. And there you go. There's a sweet bunny. I'm not going to do any shading because I'm going to I'm going to be painting this later. So I'm just making these lines a little darker now so you can see them. And making sure everything's the size and shape that I want. Great. There we go. Cute little bunny. Hold it up so you can see it. Enjoy, enjoy. Happy Easter.